Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will lecture start with MSc Part 1, Semester 2, Paper 2, Unit 1st, Inner Sphere Complex. The inner sphere complex is a type of surface complex that refers to the surface chemistry, changing a water surface interface to one without water molecule, bridging a ligand to the metal ion. Formation of inner sphere complexes occurs when ions bind directly to the surface with no intervening water molecule. These types of surface complexes are restricted to ions that have a high affinity for surface site and include especially adsorbed ions that can bind to the surface through covalent bonding. Inner sphere complex describe active surface sites that are involved in nucleation, crystal growth, redox processes, soil chemistry, alongside other reactions taking place between the cations and surface. This affinity to surface site can be attributed to covalent bonding. When compared to outer sphere complexes that have water molecules separating ions from ligand, inner sphere complexes have surface hydroxyl group that functions as sigma donor ligand, increasing the coordinated metal ions electron density. This is an example of competitive complex formation in which ligand will compete for space on an activation site of the metal ions. Surface structures are able to reduce and oxidize ligand, whereas the transport phenomena do not. Therefore, surface structure serves an important role in surface reactivity. With the coordination environment at the solid water interface changing intensity or the rate of a reaction. Next is the wetting. One of the methods to achieve inner sphere complexes is through wetting, a phenomena where one fluid known as a wetting agent replaces another medium like water or air on a surface. In the case of soil water to a solid liquid interface, the liquid spread to increase the solid liquid and liquid gas interfacial area and decreases the solid gas interfacial and solid water area. As a result, the spreading coefficient of the liquid is described by the Gibbs free energy over the area. S is equals to minus delta Gs upon A. The Gibbs free energy is spontaneous only when S is positive or 0. Another method of wetting is additional wetting, where the liquid makes contact with the solid surface for the first time. However, this initial wetting decreases the liquid gas interface that can be modeled by the Dupré equation. Then Wi is equals to minus delta Ga upon A. Impressional wetting that has a metal ion completely immersed in a liquid ligand solution does not have a change in liquid gas interface. This reaction can be modeled by minus delta Gi is equals to gamma Sg minus gamma Sl is equals to gamma Lg cos theta. From this model, metal ions can be influenced by contact angle, and as a result, inner sphere complexes are influenced by wetting agent and wetting procedure. The next point in this chapter is the sorption and adsorption of ligand on metal oxide. An examples of sorption of ligand occurs in metallic oxides and silicate surfaces. In a mineral surface, the metal ion acts as the Lewis acid and the ligand acts as the Lewis base. For ligands that have protons, the sorption is dependent on the pH. In cases of their ligands affect the surface coordination by performing a redox reaction, the sorption phenomena are then referred to as adsorption. This is of particular importance because of the different surfaces and ligands have varying redox intensity that can catalyze a various reaction. Next point in this chapter is the dissolutions of oxide. When exposed to water, the metal oxide that was previously an inner sphere complex will become saturated with water, which is known as dissolution reaction. This can also be observed in cases where hydroxyl groups are also present. pH is consideration within this reaction, but the symmetrical molecular adsorption of water is considered unstable and possesses a high activation energy. As a result, the rate determining step relies on the breakage of critical oxo bond that may increase the inductive effect through changes in electron density. This causes the nucleophilic attacks and further dissolution to occur. Then next point is application in soil chemistry. The sorption reactions of inner sphere complexes are applicable in the transport and retention of trace element in soil systems. In particular, the sorbent material found in nature are often metal oxide inner sphere complexes. In nature, this is particularly important for iron and manganese cycling, as both are affected by the redox potential of their environments for weathering to occur. Oxoanions such as the SO4 2- can hinder the dissolution and weathering of these metals. Reductive dissolution in these environments may take a longer or be non-existent as a result. However, an understanding of this led to the greater uses of oxoanion in built environment where corrosion and weathering need to be limited. Ion size of the central metal and of inorganic ligand also play a role in the weathering. Alkali earth metal have reduced sorption as their ion size increases due to the decreased affinity to anionic charges, which increases their mobility through weathering as a result. For non-polar ligands, van der Waals forces instead play a larger role in the sorption interaction. Hydrogen bonding does also occur, but is not a part of adsorption process itself. Due to this factor, the soil quality influences the retention and depletion of nutrients, pollutants and other ligands that perform absorption with the soil. Generally, the charged surface of metallic ion can become charged by crystalline imperfection, chemical reaction at the surface or sorption at the surface active ion. Clay minerals are an example of this interaction and as such can explain the chemical homeostasis in the ocean, biogeochemical cycling of the metals and even the radioactive waste disposal. In engineering application, the clay minerals can promote a sodium ion absorption in petroleum extraction alongside the creation of environmental ioners through the development of the stern layer. Additionally, water remediation can also be considered a byproduct of inner sphere complexes found in clay and other mineral complexes. This is a theories to occur due to the metal-metal precipitation, such as in the case of iron arsenic. However, pH can greatly affect the surface binding effectiveness in this case as well. Thank you.